Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix refresh taking long time in Windows 11, 10. First method is right click start button, click run, copy text from description and paste it. Check show hidden files, folders, and drives. Delete all files. Restart system. Second method is type regedit in Windows search bar, right-click run as administrator. Click and expand HKey classes root, click and expand directory, click and expand background, click and expand shell ex. Click and expand context menu handlers. Delete all folders except new and work folders. Third method is right-click start button, click device manager. Uninstall display adapter and restart system. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.